What's up, BB?
What's up?
So we are in Fairfax, Virginia to see P1Harmony.
Yeah.
So currently we are at the Marriott Hotel because we heard they're having a pop-up event. So we're going to see what's going on.
Let's check it out, y'all.
Let's go. All right, BB, so they had some pretty decent stuff in there. It was a lot of photo cards, it was light sticks, it was albums. I noticed for $17 they wanted $80 for that, so if you're into that, go for it. However, I didn't see a ton of P1Harmony stuff. There was some photo cards for like $1.99 or something of that nature, but I know this is for P1Harmony, but y'all know my bias is Yeonjun, so I got a Yeonjun keyring and a picture of Yeonjun, which is my absolute favorite picture. So this came to $13 because the keyring was half off, so I'm excited. So I came back and got a Jungsub photo card. I'm so happy. What's up, BBs?
What's up?
So we are at K-Pot Korean Barbecue. We're going to try out some Korean barbecue in Fairfax.
Let's do it.
Let's go. What's up, BBs?
What's up?
So we just got done seeing P1Harmony.
It was a great show, guys. They always put in a lot of good work.
Yeah, it was such a good show. So now we're gonna head back home.
Let's go, guys.
All right, see you, BBs.
Night.